Good morning, traders. I am just getting in for today. Haven't been able to do any trading on Monday and Tuesday, but today is Wednesday, the news day. News came out just a little while ago. And I am waiting on the computer to give me a tell on which direction it's going to go. And then I'm going to take an entry into the market and should be able to get it good 70 ticks, maybe more. Maybe 80 ticks off of the trade coming up. So I'll be right back very shortly, and just waiting on the computer now to tell me which way to go. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, I have taken a position here. I've gone long. Be right back. Okay, the computer has given away a tell to it that indicated that it was going to go up now. Now I am just going to quickly calculate what my exit should be. I will be right back. Okay, I have set it for a 70 tick exit. This one should be good for 70 ticks. That leaves a little bit of a buffer there. I'm at 32.29 on the top there. See, it's going to break the top up here at 31.74, 31.75, and should make it all the way up to the 32.20. What did I set it at? 32.29. 32.29 on the exit for 70 ticks. The computer has just given away a tell, and now I am long here, and this one should be easy, good for 70 ticks, no problem. So anyway, I am tracking this every day within my charting service, and I called this trade in advance before it would even happen in my charting service. I haven't gotten a chance to trade this week because I've been very, very busy. But I am here today doing the trading, and I should be here tomorrow, and I think I'm going to be able to trade on Friday as well. Don't think I'm going to be able to trade on Monday, though, next week, because I'm going to be gone. But I'll be back later in the week, though, to resume the trading. Anyway, I can't trade every day. I know a lot of you want to see me trade every day. I wish I had the time, but I just can't. But maybe in the near future I will have the time to trade every day again. I've just been very, very busy lately. But anyway, I'll come back shortly to show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. But you can pretty much figure 70 ticks is in the bag. And I called this exact trade out in my charting service before it would ever even happen. That is the power of knowing how the computer works to the oil market, and indeed to all the markets. But it works the best with the oil market. I mean, the System 1 works the best, works the same with all the markets, including the oil market. But the System 2 only works with the oil market alone. Therefore, it's best to trade the oil market if you're able to, because you can use the second system on it, which is what I am using right now. And that's how you hit these big trades like this. And there's no comparison to being able to do something like this, and that's what the charting service is for, is to hit the big trades. It's not for the first system. I mean, I do chart it out, the first system, just for academic type purposes, but the real value of the charting service is in the second system, so that you can hit these big trades like you're going to see me do again today. Anyway, I'll be back shortly to show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. I'd just like to point out, though, again, notice how I think it was the very last trade I did. I don't remember now for sure, but I took the trade right at the top of the chart, where most traders would be looking to go back the other way to get short on the trade, like a triple top, for instance, or a double top, for instance. But instead of going short, the computer told me that it was going to keep on going by giving away a tell to it. There's a tell in the programming. That's a figure, you could call it like a flaw in the programming. And that flaw is what told me that it was going to go higher. Not just go higher, but go higher in a big way, like go up, 100 ticks. And I'm going to try to just get 70 out of it. So anyway, I just wanted to point that out to you. That's the power of knowing how the computer works. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. And for you newbies out there, that's the power of my charting service. I mean, I'm the one obviously with all the experience in this. And, I'm the one who can track it every day, no problem. And so therefore, you can just rely on me to track it for you. And then you do exactly what I said to do. And there's absolutely no reason whatsoever why you could not be hitting this exact same trade as me. In fact, what I did today, I said in my charting service exactly how to play this trade. Down to the tick, I said how to play this trade. I know that sounds impossible, but it's not. I said exactly what to do. Anybody in the world could follow what I said to do today. Anybody. A child could do it. And all you needed to do was rely on me for the tracking, and then use the technique that I outlined for this exact trade. I also even said to watch out for it to be a long entry, because there's a specific reason for that. Also, that has to do with the computer. Anyway, we have many advantages against this computer. Many. I will be back shortly to show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. But notice how it went all the way up there to what, about 90 or so? And now it's come all the way back down to 70, getting close to my original entry, right? Am I getting rid of it? No. Because it's going to continue to go higher. And break that high up there and then go all the way up to my exit. That also is the power of knowing how the computer works. Otherwise, if you were just trading this, with nothing else, you would have gotten out. You'd have taken the profit and gotten out, right? No need. No need at all. I'll be back. Okay, it's getting close here. Just got to make it up to 32.29. It's right there. Or almost there. Piece of cake. Like I said, when you know how the computer that's controlling the market works in advance, it's not too difficult to do this. And, I teach how to do this in my video courses. And I also have a charting service which, tracks the system every day, and I'm able to predict what's going to happen, the trade that I'm going to take before I even take it. That's how powerful this system is, how valuable my charting service is. Because, when you can take these kinds of trades and do it with accuracy. I did the same thing yesterday. It's just that I didn't take the trade because I didn't have time. I didn't have time to trade yesterday. But I predicted this exact trade yesterday as well. And I'll be able to do it again tomorrow. It's not difficult to do. In fact, it's kind of ridiculously simple to do. But it's regardless of how simple or hard it is, it's extremely valuable. And that's what I'm showing you now. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. It's not going to take a whole lot longer, or most likely it won't take a whole lot longer for it to hit the exit. I will hang on to it for the exit because the mathematical chances of it hitting are very, very high. I won't get out early here or anything like that. It's most likely going to go up about 100 ticks or so. So the 70 ticks will make it. Leave a little buffer there, like a 30 tick buffer there, just to make sure that it makes it, Anyway, I'll come back shortly and show it to you. Okay, here it comes, almost there. Okay, I am out, and it's shooting up higher here. As you can see, going for 70 ticks was, a nice, conservative, but solid amount to go for. I could have went for 80, could have went for 90, could have went for 100, but 70 was very high math. And I like to play the high mathematics because, let's say that it just went 80, and, there's a very good benefit to being able to play the high math, and I just am a big believer in that, and that's what I like to play. That way you don't get burned, and you just take the profit. And if you can do that over and over and over again, which I easily can, all you do is just come out ahead, come out ahead, come out ahead. Anyway, and a lot of times, let's say that I was going to go for, like, let's say 90. A lot of times it'll go up to the 70, come back down for a while, and then later go up and hit the 90. I don't want to have to wait for that to happen. So I just wanted to take the quick 70, show it to you on camera, and now I'm done. It's actually 11:40 p.m. where I am right now, Wednesday, January 27th. So it's kind of late, and I don't want to stay up too much longer. Anyway, as you can see, I was able to easily call it, easily take the trade, easily make 70 ticks with no problem, all because a computer is controlling the oil market, just like a computer controls all the markets except for individual stocks. Everything else trades by a computer. A computer is in control of the movement, both up and down, not buying and selling. Has nothing to do with where the price is. This is true of all ETFs, all stock indexes, all markets all over the world: gold, oil, e-minis, silver, wheat, corn, you name it. Forex, all currencies, euro, dollar, everything. The Japanese market, the Chinese market, the German market, the DAX, everything in the world is 100% being controlled in advance by a computer program. I broke the code to that in the year 2006. I've been teaching it since the year 2009. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I hope you traders are doing well out there. And for you charting members, I will see you tomorrow in my charting service. Take care and happy trading.